Okay.
All right, so we've got this Toshiba L755 that I bought a couple years ago. It's been an awesome computer. It's super fast and powerful. I can do anything, watch movies, do any PowerPoints that I need. I can run a show with multiple screens. It's just been a very versatile computer. Only I started getting the green screen every time it would turn on. Or not the green screen, but the blue screen. As soon as it would come on, in about 30 seconds, it would just pop off, and everybody told me the computer was trashed. But I noticed I was hearing an actual electrical pop when I was doing it, so I decided to turn it over and look at the battery. And so you unlock it right here and just slide the battery off. And then I just plugged my power cord in and turned it on, and the computer works just fine. So I went ahead and ordered a battery, and in the meantime, we got lots of kids in the house, and one of them smashed the keyboard, so you can see all the keys falling off. So I ordered a keyboard as well. And so with the battery out, it makes it real easy to change the keyboard. There's one screw right here. It's a Phillips screw, and we just got our little jeweler's screwdriver here. And we're gonna take that screw out. I'll put a link where you can get a screwdriver set that's just for taking these laptops apart. And it's a little easier than this old jeweler screwdriver that I have. And I'll put that in the description. And then we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna start prying up this little beauty ring around here. So that ring just pops right out, and that exposes 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna go ahead and take those out real quick. Right about now would be a good time to have that magnetic screwdriver. All right, and here's the last screw. All right, then that keyboard's gonna tilt forward. Just pop it loose. It'll come out. You can see the little notches were under the holes right there. So you just pull it out and flip it over, and that's gonna expose a ribbon. Now to get that ribbon out, you flip that open just like that. You see that little door right there? And then you just work that ribbon right out. And that's the broken keyboard. You want to check for dust. It looks like this part's pretty clean. There's a little dust on the fan, but not too much. You could actually just turn it over, knock any dirt out of it. This computer goes everywhere with us, so I mean it gets dirty. There's no doubt. We use it outside, inside. We take it on shows. So we bought this keyboard online. It's supposed to fit this Toshiba. So let's pull it out of the box and see what we got. This is a Sunmall Your Solution Shop. Sun Mall, Your Solution Shop. I think it was like 15 bucks online. It was pretty cheap. And it comes well packaged. And so again, you see those slots. We're gonna flip it over just like it was before, and there's the ribbon cable again, and we'll slide that ribbon cable in. Right about now, I wish I had my glasses on, but it's going right in. And if you don't think you have it in right, you can just pull it out. Try it one more time. They don't seem to be going in very easy. Usually they do. Give it a try. There it goes. And it looks like it's in. Let's try to close it. Close down good. So then we're going to flip it back. We're going to try to fit those notches in to those slots. Did a little push down. We missed one there. And then drop it down. We're going to reinstall the 4 screws. So basically what we determined was that the battery itself was shorted out. And because the computer worked fine on manual power and all the terminals look good. So we're gonna put this keyboard in and we should have perfect battery function again with a new battery. And it'll be great to save this Toshiba. It's an older, it's still Windows 7. But I like Windows 7, so I'm okay with that. And it makes a great computer for the whole family to enjoy. They're pretty indestructible. Well, obviously not indestructible, but you know, we've got a lot of grandkids. It's a great computer. Let's see which way this goes. I think it doesn't matter. Let's turn it around and try it this way. Let's see, it had a screw in it. And that screw, I think, lines up right here. Alright, so that's snapped in all the way down. Close it back up. Turn it over. And we'll put that anchor screw in. I don't know if you saw that before. It's right here is a screw hole. get a little more light on the subject. You might see the bandages on my hand. This is my carpal tunnel surgery. You can look for that video. I'll tell you all about that. All right, so we got another package. It is Ali Power laptop battery. I ordered that also. I'll put the link for that as well. And it came packaged pretty good here. I don't know if it comes charged. All right, so here's how that battery goes in. It just slides in like this. Push it in, and your lock is over here. This other side is spring loaded, so it automatically locks. And let's open it up. I don't know if there's any power in that. We may have to charge the battery first, but it looks like something's gonna happen here. Oh, we're gonna have to charge the battery, but I'll put a little update video in to show you this thing running when we get near a power cord. So just repairing the keyboard and the battery on a Toshiba L755. It's the satellite model. All right, thank you for watching. Please like the video. It's real important that you put a like. It's not important to put a dislike, but the likes we want to have. Subscribe to our channel. Share the videos with your friends. And if you push the links below to buy the products, we get a small commission that helps us support the channel. So once again, Richard Ray, you have a great day, and thank you for watching.